Google has conquered the virtual world. Now the internet giant faces a backlash from the real powers. Google said last week that it may quit China, tired of running a censored version of its popular search engine. But the Chinese conundrum, even if an extreme example, is not the only controversy Google has with national authorities. In France, Google is seen with suspicion by the political elite. The government is investing more than $1 billion to digitize the country's literary heritage and create an alternative model to Google's books division. In Germany, the search engine was accused of megalomania by the justice minister, who warned Google is becoming a giant monopoly similar to Microsoft. The company is also having problems with the big boss in Italy. Silvio Berlusconi plans to introduce new web TV regulations that Google says may limit access to its YouTube site.
We're very much in danger of crossing that line at the moment if we haven't crossed it already. I think the size of Google is clearly starting to cause a great deal of concern, both in national capitals and in Brussels.
These clashes show the challenges that a global company like Google faces when dealing with local culture. Google is the clear leader of these markets, but that popularity also creates anxieties and, in some cases, outright opposition.
Yes, Google has become a big company, and it's a disruptive company. It's a company that's pushing the limits of technology and innovation, and so it's only normal that there be a need to explain ourselves. And I think that there is a good dialogue going on between us and many European governments.
Years ago, when it was just a startup in Mountain View, California, Google promised not to be evil. The bigger the company gets, the more difficult to convince political authorities of the validity of that motto. Eric Coleman, Bloomberg News.